What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Miltnificent, aka Miltnificent, aka Millie Milt Jr., aka the Grim Reaper, because I'm reaping all the benefits of StockX. So, today we're going to do a quick reveal of what the surprise cop I got from under retail. And again, I can't tell or stress enough the fact that when you go on StockX, to be able to go to see all the buyers and then see all the sellers, you know, it's just a match made in heaven. You're able to see what people are asking in terms of the pricing, and based off the quantity of shoes that the seller's trying to sell, the pricing they have it listed as, and it could be a group of them, could be one or two of them. But if you put the bid in between or just below, look, sometimes you get lucky, you find the deals. That's exactly what happened when I got this shoe. Now, this shoe came out in 2018, and I was looking forward to the shoe dropping, but unfortunately, people nationwide took an L on this because, the release didn't go according to as planned. Now, I was surprised that it didn't come out, but then when Nike revealed what was wrong with the shoe, things came to light. So, with that said and done, let's just get this done, unboxing right now, and find out what shoe I'm actually talking about. Again, this is my third purchase from StockX. The process seemed like it was pretty cool. Again, didn't have any problems. And this one actually came pretty quick. Alright. Okay. Ha! If you can tell by the box itself, you probably know what shoe I'm talking about, but, you know, I'm just going to do this. For those who don't know what this box is, you kind of see a replica down there, so you probably know what it is. Of course, you got the whole StockX nonsense. Yeah. Okay. So, this shoe actually was a B grade shoe. Now, Nike has their list of grades of shoes that comes out. And honestly, if it's not perfected, at least the way that they anticipated to come out, they'll have an A grade. Most shoes that they label that are released are A grades. This was deemed as a B grade due to excessive bleeding on the shoe. Not actual blood, but the glue stains that would appear on parts of the shoe, depending on what type of shoe that you got. So without further ado, now your boy had to cop these 13s. These are the Melo class of 2002. Most don't know that's when Carmelo Anthony graduated from Oak Hill Academy. Now, me, I was a fan of this shoe. Period. I mean, I have the He Got games. You know, leather quality is pretty good. But I wanted to see what this shoe was about. I know some people was able to get this shoe primarily because when it first came out, again, Nike scratched the release date and said, we cannot release these shoes due to some defects on it. And those defects included the bleeding of the university red in between the midsole and the upper sole of the shoe. Now, it kind of, in the seam of the shoe, you would see some excessive bleeding here. There were certain pairs where you had actually blood, kind of, not blood, but bleeding on the suede itself. Like you could literally see the red all over. Certain pairs, you didn't see anything. So if you got lucky, kind of like what I did, you really don't really see. I'm going to put this up here real slow. You actually see it unless you look really, really, really close at this shoe. And you can see some little bit of bleeding as you go between the seams of the shoe. Now, me personally, the quality, and for me to get this under retail, this to me is a dope shoe. Just because, I'm sorry, the nylon on this is nice and soft. I actually like this material. I like the smooth leather that they put on here, which goes up to the tongue. And the suede, oh, the suede is soft. I like this shoe, and personally, let me check the other pair because you never know what pairs you get when you get these B-grade shoes. I mean, honestly, I do see a little bit of bleeding, but I have to really look at the shoe in order to see it. So I'm going to put that up there. Maybe you guys can see it on camera. And as you can see, it's got the StockX verified tag. Now, me, personally, like I said, I'm in awe with the shoe. I was a big fan of the shoe because it came with that university gold all around, university red, got your carbon fiber. Again, no different from the He Got Games except for the colorway and the type of material that they used on the upper of this shoe. Again, this shoe came out at retail at $190, and I'm pretty sure, let me double check. Yes, it did. It retailed at $190, and then it ended up going into the Nike outlets for about $169, $170. But your boy, hey, I was patiently waiting for that thing to drop because before it went to the Nike outlet, when people got these early cops of these shoes, you paid maybe, what, $200, close to $300, because you wanted it early before the release date. And for those people that actually got it before the release date, you actually had it before Nike could announce these are B grades. And because of that, I'm telling you, this shoe on StockX was at $300, close to maybe $400, just because people really wanted the shoe and you couldn't get it because Nike announced that B grade announcement. So, fine. So your boy just kind of, does what he does, the Grim Reaper, reaping all the benefits. And I simply just waited, and patience paid off. And I ended up copping this for about, after taxes, $120, which is good. So your boy's double up. And actually the second pair that's coming up, or at least coming soon, I got it for $115. I had to double up on this shoe. I'm so excited that I actually got it. And actually, you know what? If I did a comparison, you can just look right there. Oh man, this is dope. Now it feels like nubuck material on the He Got Games, but the 13, somebody put me on the 13s, and they are very, very soft, very comfortable. And I'm just in awe. Finally got this shoe in the collection. It was a shoe again. I was one of let's say 3 shoes that I tried to get last year, but I couldn't get. Ended up getting this year. And actually, this is the third shoe because this was the first shoe that I was trying to get. And actually, to people that didn't know or watched the video before, I did have the SB Dunk breads from last time. And then this is the end result of it. I ended up using the red laces that came with it instead of putting those custom ones that I wanted on there. So this is the end result. That's what it looks like. And then also, I had to get my man's PS 2.5s. The dang light is on again. I didn't even know this. The 2.5, the Grey Wolves, the PlayStation version that Paul George came out. And that was the second one that I wanted last year. But, again, this kind of completes that saga of 2018 cops that I was trying to get. Patience does work. As you can see, I got all 3 shoes. 2 out of 3 under retail, and I knew I was gonna have to pay a little bit more for the PlayStation, but it wasn't crazy, knock you over the head type of sale. But your boy Miltnificent, I'm signing off. I think I do actually have a couple more coming, hopefully in the future, possibly February. And if I play my cards right, I might be able to get it. So, boy Miltnificent signing off. Have a blessed day. Subscribe to me, and I'll subscribe to you. Miltnificent, man. AKA the Grim Reaper, reaping all the benefits. Alright, y'all, I'm out.